How to put TP-Link router in bridge mode 2025. If you're dealing with slow speeds or double NAT issues, bridge mode might be the fix. Most people get this wrong by changing random settings, but here's the clean way to do it. Bridge mode allows your TP-Link router to pass internet traffic directly to another router without creating a second network. This is useful when using a mesh system or a more powerful main router. First, connect your computer to the TP-Link router using Ethernet. Open a browser and enter the router zip address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, go to Advanced Settings. Look for Network, then Operation Mode. Select Bridge Mode and apply the changes. The router will reboot. After restarting, connect an Ethernet cable from the main router or modem to the LAN port on the TP-Link device, not the WAN port. Here's the part most people miss. Once in bridge mode, the TP-Link router no longer provides Wi-Fi or DSP unless specified. Your main router handles everything. If your model doesn't have a dedicated bridge mode, disable DSP, NAT and firewall features manually. This achieves the same result. The surprising truth is that bridge mode can instantly fix speed and connectivity problems and set up correctly. Now you know how to put a TP-Link router in bridge mode safely in 2025. Subscribe for more network fixes that actually work.